5 ways to make money using Telegram. Telegram is a free messaging service. It is now the only widely used messenger that ensures user and data security and privacy. Because of this, the program offers secret chats, which are encrypted messages that cannot be read by anyone else or forwarded. The other person will be alerted if one of the two takes a snapshot of the chat. Other advantages of the Telegram include the ability to form communities for channels and groups, free stickers that are very simple for users to design, and media sharing, where users may send files of any size, including phone calls, videos, and audios, without any size restrictions. Many people use Telegram as a search engine as well. Telegram makes it simple for you to earn at least 500 per day. So we're going to explore the 5 easy ways to make money from Telegram. Online selling. Regardless of whether you are an associate seller or companies like Flipkart, Amazon, etc., or you have your own business, you can always advertise your goods and service to a huge Telegram user base and gain new customers this way. Although you have a much higher interaction rate, it is essentially the same as managing social media sites like Facebook or Instagram. While it is less than 10% on other social media platforms, the viewing frequency in Telegram channels can be as high as 30%. Through affiliate marketing, you can effortlessly make money every day. You must sign up for several affiliate programs in order to advertise things that your audience enjoys purchasing. Numerous affiliate networks exist, including the Amazon Associate Program, Impact, Commission Junction, Digistore24, ClickBank Associate, JVZoo, and others. Make sure the goods you promote are real and worthwhile, else you risk losing your audience's respect. Additionally, your followers automatically receive regular notifications of your updates. There is no need to manually set notifications in the app. The more subscribers in a channel, the more likely it is that you will attract new customers online and earn money on Telegram. Remember that Telegram is a new marketing tool with the good potentials of seeing less competition. Even the sales process can be automated using bots. With little effort, you may earn money using Telegram bots to gather and process orders, collect users' contact information, receive payments, notify users of special deals, provide immediate customer assistance, consult people, and more. Consider the most well-liked suggestions for monetizing your Telegram channel if you don't have any goods or services to offer. Sell marketing, consulting, or instructional services. Start a niche store. Sign up for affiliate programs on Amazon, Flipkart, Udemy, or another platform. If you have established trust with learners through the creations of a Telegram channel, you may make a course or an ebook about them. Your audience will buy your product if you have created one that is truly excellent. Try to employ intriguing designs in your book. And if you are creating a course, be sure to interestingly edit the videos. Make it partially free and solicit their feedback if your course or book doesn't sell well. You can enhance and make it better once have their opinions and input. Paid subscriptions. Sell your users access to exclusive and worthwhile content. Typically, it goes like this. You have a public channel to build a large fan following and a private channel with exclusive content. Members who consistently pay their monthly payments are given access to the private channel via a secret link. By doing this, you can build customers on a recurring basis and generate income. Sports betting, predictions for cricket, soccer, etc. Trading channels providing signals for forex and cryptocurrency, and educational resources are some common examples of Telegram channels that are monetized by subscriptions like materials for exams like IELTS and online courses as well. With the help of services like InviteMember, you can use their membership bot platform to automate your Telegram paid membership business. You may collect money from inside your Telegram channel or group using a variety of payment methods, and the bot will take care of your memberships and other time-consuming activities. Selling ads. One of the most well-liked methods of Telegram monetization is by posting adverts and paid posts in your channel or group. You can simply sell any promotional posts with links to other Telegram channel owners if you have more than 50k subscribers. The length of the promo and the number of channel subscribers typically affect the cost of advertising. Prices may vary from 1 to 48 hours for a promotional publications. The client's impact is lessened by shorter duration, lower cost, and lesser effect. Make your change for these durations the most alluring, since the majority of Telegram channels or group proprietors seeks 24-hour publishes. The amount of channel or group members is calculated using the same formula. You can charge a larger price the more subscriptions you have. By marketing other channels and goods, you can easily make up to $500 to $700 each month. However, to achieve that goal, your channel must have quality content that keeps viewers and subscribers interested in the material you post. Selling sponsored posts with links to other channels allows the most well-known Telegram channels to make a few $1,000s online each month. If your Telegram channel or group has gained popularity, you can monetize it by posting sponsored content there. The simplest approach to make money with a Telegram is in this manner. On Google Maps or Facebook, you can find high-ticket customers. Only send text to organizations that are affiliated with your group. Don't post anything that isn't sincere. Please research their companies and try to reject them. On several websites or Google Maps, you can read customer reviews of them. Sell your channel. That is correct. You can sell your Telegram channel to someone else if it has a sufficient number of subscribers. By selling your possessions to your prospective client for a fair price, you can profit. After that, you can start a new channel, develop it, and sell it once more. On Telegram, that's another kind of business. One channel's earnings can range easily from $50 to $5,000. The price of the channel can increase as you gain more members with high interaction rates. Growing market price niche focused Telegram channels with specific audience sales. You simply need to put in the necessary effort to expand your Telegram channel among target audiences who share your interests before finding a supporter. Through Facebook groups, you can easily find someone to buy a Telegram channel from, or you can post it on the same channel, and if they are interested, they will text you. Even yet, it is not a reliable source of income for Telegram. It is one of the methods employed by numerous users to make money on Telegram. Growing market price niche-focused Telegram channels with specific audience sales. You simply need to put in the necessary effort to expand your Telegram channel among target audiences who share your interests before finding a supporter. Through Facebook groups, you can easily find someone to buy a Telegram channel from, or you can post it on the same channel, and if they are interested, they will text you. Even yet, it is not a reliable source of income for Telegram. It is one of the methods employed by numerous users to make money on Telegram. Delegated extra. In this way of earning, you are being delegated some responsibility by the admin himself. You can administer channels and groups on Telegram for someone else if you have the necessary skills. The icing on the cake will be your ability to administer groups using Telegram bots. Telegram groups you have joined for whatever purpose. You can text the group administrators and express your interest in running their Telegram channels. You might need to work for free for the first 1 or 2 weeks to establish yourself. You will begin to attract more and more clients to handle data exams products and channels as you establish your value in the market. For managing their channels and groups, you can charge admins a monthly or weekly fee. It will be a good possibility for you to make money with Telegram if you have established a Telegram group channel where you offer any content such as PDFs, books, musics, APKs, videos, etc. Instead of sharing them in your group's chat channel, you can upload them to a cloud storage service like Google Drive, acquire the file links, and then use a URL shortener to make the link shorter before sharing it to your Telegram channel or group. AdFly, Shrink-Earn, Linkvertise, GP Links, and TinyURL are the best-known link shortening websites that loads a new page with each click. Each one pays well. Any of these may be used. Some of them have a minimum payout threshold of perhaps $3 or $4. The Telegram referral program is a fantastic method to make money online, especially for college students. Based on their academic classes, students already have a large number of close friends. You can recommend people and get money quickly if you manage a Telegram group channel for your classmates and other pals.